Hello, residents of Syokimau, Kitengela, Ngong, Ongata Rongai, Thika, Juja, Ruiru, Karen, and Runda. Are you fed up? Fed up with shocking electricity bills that seem to climb higher every month? Fed up with power blackouts that leave you in the dark at the worst possible times? And don't get me started on those power surges frying your TVs, fridges, and other precious appliances. Well, 2025 is the year you take control and end that expensive, unreliable relationship with Kenya Power. How? With solar energy from PowerAfricaSolar.com. Prominently explained it, Kenya Power's service is letting us down. Despite their promises, we're hit with frequent blackouts that disrupt our lives. Whether it's working from home, cooking dinner, or keeping the kids entertained, and those electricity bills, they're skyrocketing even when the power's barely on. A recent post on X highlighted how Kenya Power's tariffs are increasing, leaving households in Nairobi's satellite towns struggling to keep up. Worse yet, power surges and fluctuations are damaging our electronics, costing us thousands in repairs or replacements. Who has the budget for that? Nobody. It's time to stop pouring money into a system that's failing us. Enter Power Africa Solar, the game changer for Nairobi's top satellite towns. By switching to solar, you're not just cutting your electricity bills, you're slashing them to zero in many cases. Power Africa Solar offers clean, reliable, and sustainable energy solutions tailored to your home. Their state-of-the-art solar panels, batteries, and inverters ensure you have power 24/7, even during blackouts. No more worrying about surges ruining your appliances. Solar provides stable, safe energy. Just imagine, no more outrageous bills, no more sitting in the dark, and no more stress. Power Africa Solar has already transformed homes in Syokimau, Kitengela, and beyond with systems like their 30-kilowatt installations, designed for both 120-volt and 220-volt needs. And with their expert team, installation is seamless, whether you're in Nairobi or Kisumu. So, why wait? 2025 is your year to break free from Kenya Power's grip. Join the solar revolution with PowerAfricaSolar.com. Residents across Ngong, Ongata Rongai, Thika, Juja, Ruiru, Karen, and Runda are already making the switch, as seen in posts on X and Instagram. Contact Power Africa Solar today. Call Nairobi at 0792-247-397 or 0794-716-562. Kisumu at 0792-245-589 or email info@PowerAfricaSolar.com. Visit PowerAfricaSolar.com to learn how affordable and easy it is to go solar. Don't let another blackout or bill shock hold you hostage. Take charge.